Vanakkam and welcome to Sri Ramachandran Silks. Today we see here two Kanjivaram silk sarees. Both are made by a 4-gram gold zari. Before going that, we see some words about the Kanjivaram silk. Among the dozens of different hand-woven silk made in India, there is none more expansive than Kanjivaram. From the Kanjivaram region of Tamil Nadu, this most famous silk saree from South India is known for its lustrous fabric and elaborate saree work. Today, a Kanjivaram saree remains one of the few sarees in India where gold is still used in the weaving process. Once again I repeat, where gold is still used in the weaving process, that is Kanjivaram silk. Yeah, both the sarees woven in a 4-gram gold zari work. First, we see a Korvai saree, pale green with a cranberry pink color. Cranberry pink color woven in a border, pallu and blouse. Pale green silk is woven in all over the body. Both the sarees are woven in pure zari, so it gets some revalue after that you use it. See how she is great look in this saree. It is suitable for wedding, bridals, any other grand occasions. In body we woven a lotus motif in between the diagonal Rudraksha motifs. In pallu we have a floral motifs. The pallu part start with a geometric motif and end also a geometric motif. See the blouse part. Blouse having a small embossing floral motif by a silk with the both border woven by a zari. See, we can show it a Korvai look. See, both are different colors in that region, so we make every warp by 3 times. Both the border have warped separate and udal warped separate, so every warp done with 3 times. Here show a Kattasayam. See that Kattasayam. So the color not fade with udal and pallu. This is whole view of the saree. In border we have a Gatijari border with 10 inches. Both sides of the Gatijari border we woven a elliptical floral motif and tilakam motif. This is Korvai zari silk saree. One warp is taken by a silk and next warp is done by a zari work. So this is called a zari silk saree. This is second saree. Second saree also a Korvai saree with double-sided Korvai border. In that we make a color combination of deep blush pink with the Egyptian blue border. See the butta here, Annam Pakshi motif. Its look very nice and grand motif. On that Annam Pakshi we done a small umbrella motif. This is like a modern pet. In Kanjivaram, the pet is called as modern pet. The pallu part having a similar border design. Blouse is plain with a double-sided border, modern pet border. See this color. Very contrasting Korvai. Each saree is woven within 10 days. For 2 months working in weaving, it takes 7 to 8 days. If you order any kind of Kanchivaram silk to our weavers, we make that a better price for you all. This is pallu part. We make a saris in 4 gram and 2G saris also. This is Kattusayam. For any queries about the 2 saris, please contact me 9080810970. If you give orders, please contact me that same number. Thank you for watching. Support all weavers in this world. Thank you. Share maximum.